Yeah, hi, in today's video we are going to be looking at a site called Writerbay, and we're going to be finding out whether you can actually earn a living just by writing. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this, and we're going to be finding out everything you need to know about Writerbay in this Writerbay review. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto the Writerbay website, and it says cash for every word, and that means that you can obviously get writing jobs here. And just to let you know, look, here's the top 5 writers profit in the last 30 days: $5,400, $3,600, another 3,000, and another just under $3,000. So you can obviously get money for just writing some words. So we're going to go dive more into how Writerbay works, and also how you can become a member of Writerbay, what you have to do, etc. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. First of all, the benefits of joining Writerbay. Obviously, there are no registration fees, and it's a free lifetime membership, so you don't have to pay to be a member of Writerbay. There's a wide variety of interesting topic projects and assignments, and you have the right to manage your own workload. So in other words, if you only want to do this part-time, you can just work your only hours that you want to actually work. Okay, you also get a competitive salary, and there's enough room for personal growth as well. So if you wanted to start small and then get bigger, you can. You've also got the writer support team, which is available 24/7. So like I say here, both full and part-time earning capacities, and your confidentiality is guaranteed. User-friendly interface inside their actual website. So here are some of the requirements that you will actually need to become a member of Writerbay. Okay, and you need a minimum of a bachelor's degree. Higher academic level writers get access to more complex jobs. So the more degrees and the more higher academic levels you get, the better, the more complex jobs you get, which probably means the more pay you're going to get. Okay, it says the ability to use either of the payment options that we support, and we'll go through the payments very shortly, and we'll tell you exactly how you're going to get paid. Obviously, English language being the proficiency of it. Obviously, you will need internet access, and you will need a laptop or a PC. Doing this on your mobile is not really going to cut it, guys, because you're just going to be doing quite a lot of writing, and you can't really do that obviously within your mobile. So you do need a laptop or a PC. Got to have at least experience in the following fields, and there are loads of different fields here, as you can see, from accounting to chemistry to environmental studies, investments, journalism, even poetry, mathematics, statistics, all that sort of thing, and sports as well. So there's a varying array of different experiences and different places that you can actually write about. So here's the sort of jobs that are available in the last 24 hours. Say accounting, there's one here for 30 pages, which would be $240. Economics, there's 40 pages, $320. There's this one here, programming. So if you're into programming, $550 for 46 pages, and healthcare, $600 for 75 pages. So there are some really good work available here, guys, that you could obviously tap into. So this is how you would follow the steps to actually go and join Writerbay. Okay, so you need to fill out your application form here, read the tutorial and take short quizzes on different things, and then you need to write a short prompt and upload an essay sample. Okay, so that basically just tell you about how your writing skills are. So if you wanted to try and maybe fake about your degrees and that sort of thing, you will probably going to get found out a little bit when you start writing your short example essay here. Also, you have to upload a photo of your higher education certificate as well as your CV. So once you've got obviously some money and you're up and running and you've got your jobs coming in, how are you going to get paid? So let's go and crack on and find out exactly how you're going to get paid. So the payment procedure here, it says here, Writerbay makes all its payments twice a month at the beginning, between the 1st and the 5th, and between the 16th and 20th of every month. Funds are withdrawn from the system every 1st and 16th of the month correspondingly. You do need a balance of more than $100, okay? And so if you haven't got that amount in your balance, obviously you can just roll that over to the next month, which is not a problem, and then build it up gradually. So when you are first starting out, you may take some smaller jobs that may not pay you $100. So you can do it over a couple of months if you needed to. Now, payment options, there are 3 different payment options. You've got Web Money, which gives you a 5% commission that they take. And if you choose that option, you have to provide a unique number that you'll get assigned in registration. Only takes 1 to 2 minutes for the payment to get processed. You've also got Hyper Wallet, and there are 3 payment options that are supported by this system. You could do PayPal, which there is a 75 cents commission. You could do a bank transfer, but again, this could be anything from $2 to $20 commission through that. And you can do a wire transfer as well, which is $20 commission. So obviously PayPal is your better option if you're going to do it through Hyper Wallet. They also do Payoneer as well. 2 payment options this. They do a global bank transfer, which goes across 200 countries and across 50 currencies, which is only $2.99 per transfer. And they also do a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard, which is a 0% commission, and you get paid directly onto your MasterCard. No bank account required for this. And your funds are normally within there within 2 hours. So loads of good ways that you can obviously get paid as well. Just before we go, let's jump across to Writerbay on Trustpilot, and as you can see here, they've had 52 reviews at a 4.3 star rating. Verified company, they've claimed their profile, all that sort of thing. So it's all good stuff. So yeah, if you're looking to get some your writing skills out there, then certainly writerbay.com is a good place to start, where you can actually go and get work and obviously get paid a reasonable amount for the hours that you're going to be putting in. So make sure you check out writerbay.com today. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.